I was on vacation this past week, so I wasn't checking my email. But now that I'm back in action, I have a ton of unread emails. As is the case, most of them are junk, and I know that I want to delete them just by reading the title. Luckily, there's a neat little trick to do this. Now, you probably know that you can just swipe all the way across a message to delete it, and you probably know that you can tap Edit and select multiple messages to delete them. But holy smokes, there's still a ton of emails to get through. So here's the secret. I'll tap Edit in the top corner, and instead of selecting the messages one by one, I can swipe down to select them quickly. When I see emails I want to keep, I can just skip over them and keep selecting. When I'm done, I can go to the top, see how many messages I've selected, and then delete with a single tap. I'll finish off these messages, and we're ready to keep conquering the world.